You're watching another video, that's right, from the Kung Fu Tapes archive. Let's go. In this video, we're not messing around either. It's always serious training, right? But I do have a joke sometimes. I know that we're going in with the flows. These flows are not just flowing your arms and legs around. It's a flow of Kung Fu. So I'm going into a stance, a strong stance, while sinking my weight like that in a stance. This is for a side on. You're not walking up to someone with your legs like this and to kick you into your fall bags. What you're doing is you're going into a technique where, say someone's trying to choke my windpipes and rip out my fucking jugulars. I'll grab his elbow up, lift up there, sink down low, put my knee behind his sideways here, crack across his rib cage, pulling his elbow towards me and smash in, lower, my waist lower than his, not leaning over like I'm going to fall. Smack, get into an arm lock, whatever. I can step in front of him with my leg here and take him down. Someone coming from this side, same thing. I can just sink my weight, cover up high here, crack him into the guts or the nuts, take that up there, and back fist. Or again, move my way and come in. I can crack my forearm, like you'll find in Taiji systems, or the elbow, the wrist, the shoulder, whatever. So these are some techniques. When someone's coming up towards me here, I can block up. I can block and kind of guide it, like in Wing Chun. I can go very soft. He's coming in, I'm going low. I'm curling him, his arms here, and guiding to the side, and this slips through underneath. You can also come on top like this, pulling his arm down, hitting on top, covering down here, punching up to the face. Someone comes to hit me low, I've got my knee tucked in to protect my groin already. But I can protect my rib cage with my elbow, or my whole arm can cover the lower areas. I can come here. Notice when we do these turning movements, and I'm turning like this, see, I'm always covering. I could be like this, so I'm turning with my legs. One's like a low guard with my arm, one's a high guard. Coming back, and come in and walk in this way too. Here, and turning, and coming in, and getting that whole motion. It's important to strengthen your legs and your arms. Do squats sometimes, up and down your legs and your legs. Train the horse starts, the marble, like that. Sink and hold it for a few seconds and come up and do it again. Spine in line, waist motion, softness, relaxation in the arms, soft, calmness, but strength too. You need to learn to get some strength in your hands, your arms, toiling, the whole connection, the whole body. That's what Kung Fu is about. Not strain, so train to get strength in your arms. It's not the point, no matter what techniques you're doing, you want to make sure you get some strength in your arms. Somewhere or another, do a few push-ups off the wall if you need to, just push like that. Every little bit can help. Just light weights, push-ups, whatever. Like conditioning in your arms is important. So if you have like a dummy to train on, like a Wing Chun dummy, or a heavy sandbag, a tree, gradual conditioning for the blocking arms, the grabbing, the blocking, the striking, the blocking, the striking, whatever it is, with the fists or the palms, the elbows, the forearms, it's all there. Stand your ground rooted when you're pulling him in for that knee strike, parrying across there, that ready to strike, like knee striking, blocking, striking, toe connection, coordination, focus, calm mind, and breathe. Focus the power of the balance of yin and yang. Harness the power of the Tao in your daily life too. Thanks for watching. Train hard and stay safe.